spots up and long bomb. There is a foul.
Kaya mo!
Number 15, that will be first personal.
Ano ba nung yes?
The line. 11 points here in this ball game. 2 more free throws para ni Jacob. This is on the second free throw. 3 minutes 20 na titira dito sa ating first quarter. He's now 3 out of 4 at the free throw line. Here's Mark Villanueva. Brings on the basketball for Barangay Santiago. Austin wants to make an isolation move. Going on his left this time. Quick snap. He's leaping and stopping. Saria at the point. Goes at the corner. Attacking the baseline. Reverse almost. And David securing that rebound. Third rebound para kay David. Inside, tabi ng bola ngayon. Ball stolen. Austin Lang. Lance gets off the rebound. And Miranda off the table. They're down by 12 big points. Here's Lance off the speed.
Nawakan na eh.
Miranda is 14. And hindi wala pa kay MJ.
Namahawak parang...
15 on the shot clock. Here's San. Wants to attack. Going off the speed. Takes a quick step. MJ.
Ay! Out! Out!
Free throw. The seed at 15 points. Land on the shot clock. Going off the screen. Makes it 16-foot three. On the other end, here's Austin Jacob as well with 16 points with 2 assists. First free throw. Here's Mike. One of the most improved players here, Jenny Darren Gurbiel, stepping up in this game. And Navarro can take the lead back in this possession. Takes it off to Austin. Balikan bola para kay Mike, who spans up for 3. Score. Here's Lance Miranda. Isolation move from Jacob. Teardrop on the net. To go. And Mike Mills all alone with an Here's number 2, James. JP off. This is already missed. Made up. Alright, JJ. Also the boss. He attacks. Backside. Eurostep. Here's Christian. Pereira attacking in the lane. Inside. Puts it off now. Austin Lang into the basket. Of the MJ. Right. score.
Pasok si ano. Mike. Katangkat na.
Here's Austin on the screen. Jacob, balik bola pa kay Leo. Katarata back to Austin. With 10 on the clock. Quick drive. Nice. The EJ on the floor with 22 points. Here's Austin on the quick stab. Remaining. 10 seconds. Spots up again. 24 points. After cutting Mike, Cruz in the corner. Back to MJ. Foul cross. Eye off the glass. From outside range, 11 points in the ballgame. Austin Reed got it. Still has another. Stop and pop. Jumper. Foul. Yung ball para kay Austin. Out and back para kay David. Alcantara. Here's Austin. Quick cross. Using the screen by Mike. He gets a catch. Assist now for Austin Jacob. Back to Mark. Villanueva. Back to Mark.
Time out! Time out!
Here's Mike Cruz. Hand off para kay Lance. Miranda going on his left. Shot miss. Another rebound para kay Darren. Outlet now. Pass is too slow. Almost a turnover. Time for the cross. Miranda. Off the spin. Cruz at the free throw.
Nagkakalangan siya.
Off the fake. Rise up. 10 on the shot clock.